Averting Pitfalls. Mastering Objective Case Pronouns. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll be delving into a very important topic that often creates confusion for those learning English. That is, common mistakes with objective case pronouns. Understanding and avoiding these mistakes can elevate your English proficiency significantly, making your conversations sound more fluent and accurate. So, let's get started. To begin, we must understand what the objective case is. Objective case pronouns are used as the objects of verbs or prepositions. This means they receive the action in a sentence. The objective case pronouns in English are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, consider the sentence, John saw her at the park. Here, her is an objective case pronoun as it receives the action of the verb, saw. Now that we've covered what the objective case is, let's move on to the common mistakes people often make. 1. Misuse of I and me. One of the most common mistakes is confusing I and me. Remember, I is a subjective pronoun used as the subject of a sentence, while me is an objective case pronoun used as the object. 2. Incorrect. John and me went to the park. 3. Correct. John and I went to the park. 4. Incorrect. He gave it to John and I. 5. Correct. He gave it to John and me. 6. Misuse of he, she, him, and her, similar to I and me. These pronouns can also be misused. He and she are subject pronouns, whereas him and her are objects. 7. Incorrect. The teacher praised she for her work. 8. Correct. The teacher praised her for her work. 9. Using subjective pronouns after prepositions. Always use objective pronouns after prepositions. 10. Incorrect. The gift is for you and I. 11. Correct. The gift is for you and me. 12. Incorrect order of pronouns. When using more than one pronoun, a particular order is preferred in English. When a pronoun is the object, the order is usually me, you, him, her, it plus and plus subject pronoun. 13. Incorrect. You and me should grab a coffee. 14. Correct. Me and you should grab a coffee. Those were some of the common mistakes with objective case pronouns that you should be aware of. Remember, practice makes perfect. So make sure you apply these rules when speaking or writing English. With regular practice, you'll notice fewer errors and feel more confident in your English communication. As always, keep learning and improving. See you in the next video.